Hello everyone, this is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps to claim the GHD warranty. Subscribe to Warranty Valet for more helpful guides on warranty claims and tips. Visit the Warranty Valet website to claim your GHD warranty in 3 simple steps. It commences with guidelines for registering the products and ends with reaching out to the customer support team members for warranty claims or returns. You can contact them either by using the email address or the phone number 877-443-2643. And they are active from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You need to tap on the Contact Us button, located at the bottom of the GHD website page, to access the support section. All you have to do is visit the section titled Products and Warranty, where you can find the form by clicking on a relevant subheading below the Warranty heading at the end of the page. Fill in the requested details in the form after downloading it in PDF format. Additionally, aside from the phone and email options, the customer support team is also available on live chat. Keep in mind when shipping to include a copy of the proof of purchase, the defective product, and a completed return form. If your warranty claim is found to be valid by GHD after verification, you will receive a replacement. Before we conclude, remember that if you ever encounter difficulties or have questions about the warranty process, you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've assisted numerous customers before, and we're here to assist you too.